Hello and welcome to this short exercise on indices. We've been asked to express root 3 as a power of 9 and also 1 over 4 root 2 as a power of 2. Now this has been sent to me by one of my students. It is an iGCSE question and it's also GCSE higher tier question, and I think it's also suitable for 9th or 10th grade in the USA. Right, here we go. And we know that 3 is the square root of 9. Now, instead of using the square root sign, I've written this as 9 to the power of a half, because square root of 9 is same as writing 9 to the power of a half. If we then raise both sides by a power of a half, we got 3 raised to the power of a half, and then raise 9 to the power of a half by a power of a half as well. So I've made the difference at all. They'll see the same thing. Right, and now because by the law of indices, because we've raised it to the power of a half, we then have to multiply the indices. So a half times a half is a quarter. So 3.5, which is now square root of 3, is same as saying 9 to the power of 1/4. I hope that made some sense. And now for the next one, we've been asked to express 1 over 4 root 2 as a power of 2. Now this is important here, as a power of 2. Okay, now I'm quite sure there are quite a few ways of doing this, but I think I'm going to do it on balance. I think this is probably one of the easiest way of doing this, I think. Anyway, so what I've done here is to break down 4 as a power of 2. So instead of writing 4, I've written down 2 squared. And instead of writing root 2, I've written down 2 to the power 0.5, because with the system I've got, I cannot write 2 to the power of a half. I can't do it, unfortunately. So I've written down 0.5 instead. And because we're multiplying with same base, we have to add the indices. So 2 plus 0.5 becomes 2.5 there. Okay. Now 2.5 is same as saying 5 over 2. So 1 over 5 over 2. If we then take the reciprocal of this, we'll turn it upside down. Now this becomes 2 to the power of minus 5 over 2, because we're taking the reciprocal. So that is same as this one here. You must not forget the minus sign. It's important there. Please pause the video and go back and check again, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye now.